we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Welcome to the new travel video of Anne's Vlogs. If you are planning for the next perfect getaway in Oman, Jabal Hatt is your destination. It is located in Hamra, 2 hours 45 minutes far from Muscat city, approximately 232 kilometers if you take Hamra route. Jabal Hatt can be reached by crossing Snake George Canyon, which is 3 hours 10 minutes from Muscat city. But make sure you have a 4-wheel drive if you choose that route, since it's off-road, the paths are quite narrow on steep mountains. It's great for adventure lovers, but of course with caution.
Side by side and through, no limit to what we can do.
The breathtaking landscape will excite you to engage in camping and hiking. You can spend the night to watch the beautiful sunset following the stunning galaxy at night. It is definitely something to gaze at. And of course the serene sunrise.
So selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom.
The climate between December and April over Jabal Hatt is really cold, while the morning temperature starts with 22 degrees and it can dip to -2 degrees at night. It varies upon climatic conditions. During winter, the sun rises at 6:30 a.m. and in summer, the sun rises at 4 a.m. Again, it varies upon climatic conditions.
No more in a world full of sorrow. What for? You watch the world from the place beneath the willow, the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow.
Looking forward to visiting Jabal Hatt, make sure to check out the weather forecast to make the best out of your perfect getaway. Thank you for watching. Until next time, be safe and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for getting the next video notification.